Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the simple steamed scallop and tofu in garlic black bean sauce. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. You may choose to use fresh or frozen scallops. Mix half teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt in water, then soak the scallops in it for 20 minutes. Remove the smooth tofu from package and cut into 24 slices. Arrange the tofu slices on a plate. Steam tofu for 5 minutes. Rinse scallops and drain well, then cut each horizontally into half. Wipe scallops to the driest. Soak black beans in water for 10 minutes. Drain well and wipe dry. Smash and peel the garlic. Mince the garlic. Prepare cooking wine. Soy sauce. Cut the red chili pepper into tiny pieces. After steaming, discard the water from the tofu and wipe to the driest. Place scallop pieces onto tofu. Heat pan. Toast black bean at medium-low heat until fragrant. Add oil, then saute. Add garlic and the red chili pepper and saute. Add cooking wine and soy sauce. Saute. Add 5 grams sugar and saute briefly. Pour the black bean sauce onto tofu. Steam for 3 minutes. Add sesame oil on. Then garnish with diced green onions. The yummy steamed scallop and tofu in garlic black bean sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!